Hello and welcome to HazWasteOnline's video tutorial about to set up and use HazWasteOnline files for rapid importation of your data. We will be importing a HazWasteOnline file whereby the dataset has been acquired for the assessment of a soil waste stream. To get started, click the Lab Files tab where all of your HazWasteOnline files are uploaded and stored. Here, click the Upload tab where you will upload the HazWasteOnline file from your desktop. You may also wish to provide the HazWasteOnline file with additional details for a better linked chain of custody. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in your HazWasteOnline files in your project list. Click on your file to be directed to an Overview tab of your file. Here in the Overview, you are seeing all the quantifiable data from the lab test. The data highlighted in grey is data that is not going to be imported and used for classification, because it is either data that is not suitable for classification, such as leachable WAC data, or data that is summarized and totaled with other data, such as these xylene determinants. There is also data highlighted in red. This is data we call an outstanding issue. This is where the data is either not ready or suitable for classification, and so the user needs to action what to do with it. To get the data ready for import, users must fix these outstanding issues by creating rules. Once all the outstanding issues are dealt with, users will collectively save the rules they have made as a rulebook. This will allow users to instantly import the next HazWasteOnline file they obtain from the same lab. Users can see a list of all of the outstanding issues by clicking the Outstanding Issues tab. The first rule we recommend you to do is to include a waste stream template. Your account may have a waste stream template for your specific lab suite already made. To apply a waste stream template, click the Add Rule drop-down button and choose Select Waste Stream Template or Job. Here you will want to keep the second row as Waste Stream Template, and choose your desired waste stream template on the third row. In this example, we are choosing the example waste stream template for soils. This fixes several outstanding issues simultaneously. To fix the remaining outstanding issues, go to the Overview and click the cells highlighted in red. The first of two remaining outstanding issues to deal with in this file is barium. Click the highlighted cell and a window will appear which contains the details on the determinant. Click the Fix Me drop-down option at the top, and you will be presented with options to fix the issue. For this example, we need to assign barium to a species, citing your reason in the box below. Click the OK button, and this issue will be fixed and you can close the window. The next issue to deal with is the hydrocarbon test, as we can see from the chemical name. Once we click this cell, the Fix Me drop-down has three different options to choose from. 1. Replace a ChazRN value. This route allows you to search our database to match the substance up to. 2. New user determinant. This route allows the user to create this determinant themselves. 3. Ignore by ChazRN. This route will ignore the determinant and it will not be imported for classification. As this determinant is the total hydrocarbons, we want to match it up to the determinant TPH C6 to C40. Once all issues are fixed, you will have a green tick by the Outstanding Issues tab. Click Rulebook and Save Rulebook As to collectively save these rules for the next HazWasteOnline file import for this lab suite. We recommend you save it as the name of the lab you received it from and the lab suite you obtained. This is because each lab requires their own rulebook specific to them, and lab suites you obtain may differ greatly depending on the waste stream you are dealing with. The final step is to click the Create Job button and import your dataset. If you follow the link, it will take you to the job interface where you can classify it. This concludes this video tutorial. If you have any problems, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching.